Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to add a custom folder icon in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you are bored with the default yellow folder icons, you can easily change them and use any icon you like. This helps you organize folders better and quickly identify important folders. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key on the keyboard. After that, navigate to the folder you want to change its icon. Select it, right click, choose Properties, then switch to the Customize tab. Then at the bottom, click on Change icon. Here you will see several icons. You can select any. If you don't like any of these icons, click on the Browse and select your preferred icon. If you have any one, select it and then click on the Open button. After that, after selecting any preferred icon, click on the OK and then click on the Apply. Finally, click on the OK button. This will instantly change that folder icon, and in case you want to restore its default icon, select that folder again, right click on it, choose Properties, go to Customize tab, click on the Change icon. Now click on the Restore Defaults. After that, click Apply, then click OK. This will restore the default folder icon again. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.